A beginner's guide to Commercio.network's eSignature. Everything you need to know about electronically signing PDF and XML documents. Welcome to Commercio Network. In today's fast-paced business environment, the need for digital solutions that streamline operations and increase efficiency has never been greater. One area where this is particularly evident is document signing. With traditional methods of document signing being time-consuming and cumbersome, many businesses are turning to electronic signature solutions to simplify the process. Commercio.network's eSignature is a powerful digital tool that enables businesses to electronically sign and manage documents securely and efficiently. In this tutorial, we'll take a closer look at how Commercio.network's eSignature works, its benefits, and how you can use it to sign documents electronically. Commercio.network's eSignature is a cloud-based platform that allows businesses to sign and manage documents electronically. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, with an intuitive interface that makes it easy to navigate and use. To use Commercio.network's eSignature, you first need to upload the document that needs to be signed to the platform. Once the document is uploaded, you can add signature fields where the recipient needs to sign the document. These signature fields can be customized to include additional information, such as the recipient's name, date, and other relevant details. Improved security. Commercio.network's eSignature uses advanced encryption technology to ensure that documents and signatures are secure and cannot be tampered with. The platform is also compliant with relevant data protection regulations, such as GDPR, which ensures that customer data is handled in a responsible and transparent manner. Increased flexibility. Commercio.network's eSignature can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection, which makes it ideal for businesses with remote or distributed teams. Documents can be signed and managed from any location, which makes the process more flexible and convenient. Customizable. Commercio.network's eSignature can be customized to meet the specific needs of individual businesses. This means that businesses can tailor the solution to their unique requirements, ensuring that the solution fits seamlessly into their existing operations. Cost-effective. Commercio.network's eSignature is a cost-effective solution for businesses as it eliminates the need for expensive printing, scanning, and storage. By streamlining the document signing process, businesses can save money and increase efficiency.